My name is Summer Prentice. I am a civil and environmental engineering major, and I'm currently a senior. I feel like it has the classic story with interested in Legos as a kid, but also just like inventions. I feel like ever since I was young, I would always tell my parents these random inventions. I was like, I know, like, this is gonna make us rich, like this is gonna be it. And from there, they were kind of like, oh, yep, that's your engineering thinking. And that was before I even knew what engineering was. So it really just grew from there, going throughout school, finding what interests me. I knew I definitely wanted to stay in the state. I wanted to be a little far away from home to get a little bit of independence. I had about 2 or 3 schools that I knew had an excellent engineering program, and I looked there first. Then after analyzing the engineering programs, I looked more into the people on the campus. I took a tour of each campus, and I feel like Charlotte just seemed very welcoming. Like the people I was walking past and interacting with, I was like, I can see myself, living here for 4 or 5, who knows how many years, getting a job, maybe even after school. I could really see myself like making friends with the students at the university, and that was really important to me, like finding a place where I fit in. Last semester, I took hydraulics and hydrology, and I really liked that. I feel like just in civil, it's very much, here's a bridge, here's the forces. So that was like the first class that was sort of a big change from what I was learning, straight into like fluids, waters. It was so many new like variables, equations, everything was completely different, but it was nice to have a little bit of a change, a little bit of a challenge. Charlotte is like highly sought after because we're still growing, but we're also growing so fast. Like a lot of my classes, I'm able to have this like, this is my favorite professor or favorite person on the staff, because a lot of the classes are so focused. I have that time to go and talk personally with professors, where I feel like a lot of big engineering schools, it's sort of like you're just sitting in a huge room with 100 other people and you're not really getting to know your classmates or your professors on that personal level. And we're also, taking off with our research. Every professor you talk to has research that they're excited to tell you about. So I think it's really nice.